You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word that gets a lot of people confused. It's the name of a large country house in Kent, in southeastern England. It's pronounced Chevening. I know it's quite confusing. Chevening, no. The pronunciation in English, Chevening, Chevening, Chevening. It's pretty straightforward once you know, but yes, you do have to know. Chevening, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.